Hi, I'm Katerina Poncero from National Underwriter Property and Casualty. Here are the top stories from PC360.com for the week of April 16th to April 20th. Allstate says it expects about $260 million in pre-tax catastrophe losses for the 2012 first quarter. The bulk of the loss was in March, says the insurer, estimating $190 million in pre-tax catastrophe losses during that month. Tornadoes have dominated the headlines and caused much of the insured catastrophe losses in the first quarter. Tornado activity has continued into the second quarter, as claim counts from the severe weather in the Plains states from April 14th to 15th are quickly piling up. As of April 16th, State Farm, the top insurer of property in the affected states, says it received more than 2,400 claims for tornado, hail, and wind damage. The U.S. property and casualty industry in 2011 posted its highest combined ratio, 108.2, since 2001. An analysis by ISO, PCI, and the Insurance Information Institute shows that insurers' yearly net income fell 45.6% to $19.15 billion, from $35.2 billion in 2010. According to the J.D. Power and Associates 2012 U.S. Auto Claim Satisfaction Study, overall customer satisfaction declined 13 points to 842 on a 1,000-point scale, driven by a 19-point drop in the first notice of loss. However, customers' own preference has a lot to do with their satisfaction. While they are not pleased with the amount of time it takes to get their vehicle back from repairs after an accident, 47% of claimants say they delayed dropping off their vehicle at a body shop to wait for a more convenient time, and 20% indicated they waited for the weekend or a holiday. The Federal Reserve Bank of New York says it is exploring the sale of collateralized debt obligations originally owed by AIG's troubled financial products group. Federal Reserve spokesman Jack Gutt says there is no fixed time frame for the sales, noting that at each stage, the Federal Reserve will sell an asset only if the best available bid represents good value for the public. Insurance agents selling flood insurance policies will no longer be allowed to cede a portion of their commission to property owners to induce them to purchase policies, a practice known as insurance rebating. The Federal Emergency Management Agency announced the new policy, which will be effective October 1st. Warren Buffett has revealed that he has stage 1 prostate cancer, but his condition is not remotely life-threatening. Buffett will begin a 2-month treatment consisting of daily radiation treatments starting in mid-July. Reuters reports that doctors say Buffett has a very good prognosis given the disease's early stage. Travelers says commercial insurance rates rose an average of 8% in the quarter, and rates in other lines were up as well. But the insurer saw its net profit dip in the quarter to $806 million compared to $839 million in the 2011 first quarter.